Hey guys, Braxton are here today reviewing Hank Holly Murphy and Rotor Turbosky. So let's check out Hank Holly Murphy first. He's from the Rotor Spring series. And here's the back of the package. The kind folks in Rotor Springs become Lightning Queen's friends for life. And on the back you can get Greta, Sheriff, Fillmore, and brand new mayor. Let's open it up. So here's Hank Holly Murphy, and he's an old car. Kind of looks like Nicky B, except Hank Holly Murphy is orange and black. Big Holly is his middle name, I guess. I don't know why, but yeah. And license plate, it says 5962. You can't actually see it because it's blurry. There's the bottom. And this one looks really cool. And he's from the first movie of Cars. And he was first released in 2009 in Race Rama series. And that's it. So here's Hank Holly Murphy. Now let's check out Rotor Turbosky. There's the back of the package. Lightning McQueen's dreams of become Danico's newest racing star. And on the back you could get him if you don't have him. If you do, then don't. So let's open it up. And he's deluxe. And he's from the Danico Davies series. So here's Rotor Turbosky. He's the Danico helicopter. Inside it says the king. On this king, like strip represent the king. Alright, all I have to do is there we go. We got this right here. And on the bottom is the tires, right? As the wheels. As the other repeller too, which is really small. As you can see, at the end of the movie, Cars 1, Mayor was riding on Rotor Turbosky, which is the Danico helicopter. Yeah, and Mayor really likes flying in helicopters, and yeah. And that's it. So here's Rotor Turbosky. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Brax Hard signing out.